Thank you everyone for watching my video. After I post my Tacoma video, one of my friends asked me how to deal with the existing rust on his vehicle. So today I'm going to show you, what to do. And same thing, I do have, my PPE here and tools and fluid film and some towel, paintbrush, wire brush, and a bucket here. Let's get down and see how bad, the rust build up in this 10 years old Jeep. Hey guys, I'm under my Jeep right now. So this is the front shocks, and suspension you can see, and this is the front wheel. To be honest, I want to make it clear, I didn't drag this Jeep, that much. Probably still under 10,000 kilometers. So the rust build up not too bad. I didn't use it in the winter that much. Probably just one or two winters. And you can see the front is still having some, manufacturer coating on it, so not too bad. So the front, and very easy. This one here, very easy to deal with it. It's just like the surface rust. I can just use a wire brush, clean it up, and spray the fluid film on it. It's pretty easy. And that one too. Even though you're lazy, if you see something like that, just kind of like do the car wash. Actually, I did a car wash yesterday. I want to make sure, no more dirt, underneath. So if you're lazy, you can just do the car wash and just spray on the fluid film on top. You don't even have to do anything. But I would like to use a wire brush to remove, some surface, rust first, and put some, fluid film on these axle here, and the frame you can see a little bit, over there. And this is the oil pan, and the transmissions here, and the axle in the middle. And that one, I think I would just spray, the fluid film on it. I think the back looks a little bit more worse than the front. And also, I want to do some in the edge on the side here. Yeah, the rust very easy to build up here and here as well. So I will do some here. I will do some cleanup and put some fluid film on it. So, and here is the axle, the weird different wrench-show, and the axle over there, and looks a little bit more worse. Yeah, let's move it there and have a look. Okay, I'm at the back right now, so all these rusts actually looks not too bad, just like the surface rust. Very easy to clean up, and no major concern. And cleaning these up, you can either use sandpaper or the paintbrush I bought here today, just like that. Very easy. Just remove as much as you can, and you can see some already fell off or away. So I will continue this. Yeah, I will continue this after I finish all this. I will use the water and paintbrush to clean it up and put the fluid film. And I will show you guys the product in the final result in a minute. Alright, it's all done. So you can see very shiny. Looks like new again. So I hope this video is able to help you guys. If you have any question, please leave down the comment, and thank you for watching.